Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. I am also very fine, dears. Welcome back to Qaleel Master YouTube channel. This is your Qaleel Master Maths Expert. Today, our topic is how to find the square of any two-digit number. Of course, it is very common, but I am going to bring the best technique to find square of any two-digit number. So, let's start the class. Now listen to me, my dears. If you take square of any two digits, like example I am going to take 23 whole square. Generally how to do this? Students will take like this 23 and we have to multiply it. First we take with 3 into 3 9, 3 2 6, 2 3 6, 2 2 4. Like this we write 9 12 upon 1 5, 529 means the value of 23 square is 529. But we are not going to do in this method, my dear. We are going to find the best technique that we shall discuss now. See here, if you take AB whole power C, assume it as whole power C. C or square is not the matter. Now you better to take AB whole power C. And first you have to take B square. B square is nothing but this first digit. One's digit whole square you have to make it. Then after A, B, C, these three you have to multiply. And then A square or A power C also you can write. So this is the structure to find the square of any two-digit number. By seeing this structure, simply you cannot understand, my dear. We shall do some problems. You will get perfect idea. Now come to the same number 23. First 3 square, as we discussed B square, that means 3 square. 3 square is 9. So you have to write here 9. Then after 2, 3, 2, A, B, C. These three we have to multiply. So you can take like this one symbol. 2, 3 is 6, 6 to 12 upon 1. This one also you have to take up, my dear. Whenever you get two digit, tens digit should be taken upon. That too you remember here. Now 2 square, because of A square we need to do. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 529. This is very easy and in one step we can do it. If you practice very fast, then you can get perfect idea and in fraction of seconds you can complete the calculation. Let us see some more problems and you to practice along with me. 32 whole square. What to do first? 2 square, 4. Then after you have to multiply these 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 upon 1. 3 square is 9 because of A square. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10, 24. In the same way, you can take 25 whole square. Actually, for this we have one more method here that we shall discuss later. But in this method we can do 5 square, 25 upon 2. 2 5s are 10. You can take like this to understand at the beginning. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22 upon 2. 2 square is 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 625. 25 square is 625. We have one more easy method than this that we shall discuss in next. Now we can take one more value. 37 whole square. 7 square. 7 square is 49 upon 4. Now 3 sevens are 21. 21 twos are 42. 42 plus 4, 46 upon 4. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 4, 13. This is the value of 37 square, my dear. We can take one more value. That is 42 whole square. Now here 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16 upon 1. 4 square 16 plus 1, 17. Next, one more problem you can take. 91 whole square. So 1 square. 1 square is 1. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18 upon 1. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 1, 82. This is the answer, my dear. One more problem we can take. That is 38 whole square. 38 whole square. 8 8s are 64 upon 6. 3 8s are 24. 24 2s are 48. 48 plus 6, 54 upon 5. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 triple 4. Yes, we can take one more problem, my dear. 27 whole square. So 7 sevens are 49 upon 4. Here 2 sevens are 14. 14 twos are 28. 28 plus 4, 29. 32 upon 3. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7, 29. This is the answer. In the same way, 81 can be taken, my dear. As I told you, for this one also we have one more method, my dear. That too we shall discuss later. 1 square is 1. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16 upon 1. 8 eights are 64, 65. Hope you understand, my dear. Any doubt is here? Once again I am repeating, 1 square is 1 and these two you multiply and 2. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16 upon 1, 8 eights are 64 plus 1, 65. If you practice regularly, you can get perfect idea, my dear. One more you take here, 24 whole square. This first term whole square, 16 upon 1. These two you multiply 8. 8 twos are 16 plus 1, 17 upon 1. 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 576. Now by this method we can find the square of two-digit number, my dear, and some more problems we can take and we can understand perfectly. 31 whole square, my dear. So 1 square is 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 961. If you take 52 whole square, it's very easy. 2 square is 4, 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20 upon 2. 5 square is 25, 27, 2704. And similarly, if we take 53 whole square, 3 square is 9 and 3 5s are 15, 15 to the 30 upon 3, 5 5s are 25, 28. 2809 is the answer. If you take 50 whole square, and it's very easy, my dear. Now you observe here, 0 square is 0, 5 0 0, 0 2 is 0 and 5 square is 25. Directly we can do. If not, we have one more method for this, 50 square. As 0 square, 2 zeros can be taken and 5 5s are 25. This is also one of the easiest technique and we shall discuss some more tips and tricks to find the square of any two-digit number. Keep watching my video. My dear students, now we can learn one more best technique for special values like 20 square. What 20 square? It's a round figure. As we have 20 square, 2 zeros you have to take. 2 square is 4. It's completed, my dear. 30 square, 2 zeros we have to take. 3 threes are 9. And 400 square, for 3-digit number also it is applicable, my dear. You can write it as 2 zeros is nothing but 4 zeros you have to take. 4 square is 16. And for example, 5000 whole square. What can you write, my dear? 3 zeros. You can take here 6 zeros. You have to make it double and find the square of the given number, 25. That's it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 2 crores, 50 lakhs we can get it. Now similarly, if you take 30000 whole square, how to find the value of this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 zeros, so you have to take 10 zeros, my dear. Here 6 zeros, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 3 square is 9. This is the answer. Like this we can find for the round figure values like 50 square. 50 square, 2500. 90 square. 90 square, what can you write, my dear? 009981. That's it, my dear. And for example, 11000 whole square. Here how to do? Here 000, 3 zeros we have. You take 6 zeros, my dear. And 11 square is nothing but 121. Like this we can find. And now I am going to explain one more type 3. That is for special case of ones digit if we have 5. How to do? 25 square. Once you observe here what we have to do is 5 5 is the 25. Directly how to write, my dear? Then after here we have 2. For 2 you add 1. You will get 3. 2 3s are 6. Complete, my dear. Now 35 whole square. What can you write? 5 square, 25. Here we have 3. For 3 how much? 1 should be added. So you will get 4. Means consecutive value you have to take, that to succeeding value. So 3 plus 4. 3 plus 1, that is 4. 3 4s are 12. Then 45 whole square, my dear. 5 5s are 25. 4 after 5 comes. 4 5s are 20. And 55 whole square. 5 square, 25. 5 after 6 comes. 5 6 are 30. And 65 whole square. You make it 25. 6 after 7 comes. 6 7s are 42. And 85 whole square. 85 whole square. 5 5 is at 25. 8 after 9 comes. 72. That's it, my dear. Now for example, 105 whole square. This is 3-digit number. Even no problem. 5 5 is at 25. 10 after 11 comes. 10 11s are 110. Answer completed. That's it, my dear. Then after 1005 whole square. Now 4-digit number whole square has come. This is also same method, my dear. 25 you have to write 100. 100 after 101 comes. So 101 0 0. That's it, my dear. And I'm going to take one more. 2005 whole square. So 5 5 is a 25. 200. 200 after what comes? 201. If you multiply these zeros as it is, 201 into 2. 2 ones are 2. 0. 2 twos are 4. That's it. This is the answer, my dear. Like this, we have to find square of 2-digit number, and especially in this case not only for 2-digit number, 3 4 5 6 10-digit number also can be found. Like this, we have many tips and tricks, my dear, and remaining tips and tricks we shall discuss in the next part. Until then, you have to practice these problems perfectly. Of course, you are impressed with these steps and methods, my dear. But the thing is, not only understanding the concept, you have to practice this thoroughly. Then only in fraction of seconds you can calculate these type of problems, my dear. Hope you can do this. And some more tips and tricks I am going to bring it, and some more methods we have that we shall discuss later, my dear. Until then, you have to practice these problems perfectly by taking your own numbers. And some more tips and tricks I am going to upload, my dear. Until then, you have to take these problems and practice it, and some more problems you take from your side, and seriously you have to practice on these. If you practice thoroughly, then in fraction of seconds you can do in competitive exams, and you can save the time, you can get good marks. If you understand my class, like, share and subscribe my channel, and click on the bell icon to be notified for every update. This is your Qaleel Master signing off. Thank you very much. We shall meet in the next video with one more best technique. Thank you.